welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I'm gonna do a little swipey swipe today. Now, I mixed my colors up yesterday so I don't remember what they are, but maybe we'll get a good idea. This is just a little 14 incher. We'll see how she treats us today. My idea was to have a kind of gold in the middle and then it to have kind of look like a geode. But so I mixed up a lot of gold, but then I added a new thing. I used my regular Deco Art Extreme Sheen, which I love, with a bit of Arteza. And then I found this, and it's called Robertson Liquid Metal. And it looked pretty cool. It's very liquidy, but then I added it and I think it actually dulled out a little bit. So it's not as sparkly as I like, but we'll give it a try. And I'll try to remember my colors. I'm using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Tricorn Black. And let's just get going. So I'm gonna start with the gold, maybe just a little bit. Let's see. On top of that, I have Deco Art Copper, and I put some Arteza Pearl Marmalade in it to thicken it. And then I have this is a Color Art pigment, maybe boysenberry, with a bit of permanent Amsterdam Permanent Violet. I'll just do a little bit. I don't want it to overtake too much. Maybe I'll just do a little bit, oops, on the top, little air bubble. Then I have, this is really old. Is this even gonna work? This is another Color Art pigment, and don't remember which one, but I added Matisse Violet, Australian Red Violet to it, which I really love. Put some on the bottom here. Oh, it's really thick. See if it does anything, because that's a couple days old. But you know, we don't want to waste. See, I could already see this gold is not reacting well with my pillow. Let's see, can I bring you in a little bit? See how it's kind of fuzzy? So I'm wondering if it's that new pigment that I added to it that's not working great. Well, let's see. Meanwhile, I'll add a little bit of this blue. I think this is Color Art Arctic Opal with Amsterdam Sky Blue, which I really like. I'll just put a little bit. How about in the, oh, it's very thick. I should probably mix them up before I do this. But oh yeah, look at that. Okay, and then I have this Color Art pigment was Sweet Pea with Amsterdam, what is that called? Something violet, or it's a light pink. Very professional, sorry guys. Okay, we'll just go like that, a little bit. Okay, and I have white and Payne's Grace. Oh, let's not forget. So this is another of that Robertson stuff. What I did was, it was like a white sparkle, and then I added the gray Arteza Space Gray to it, and it kind of gave it this gold sparkle. So why not do a little bit of that? I don't want to put too much in case that those pigments don't work with it. All right, so I have white and Payne's Gray. I'm using Shelly Arts. I don't know why I can't speak English tonight. I've been cleaning up my new my new space all day, so I'm kind of out of it. If you want to know what the Shelly Art special sauce is, I have a 15% off code in my comments, and it comes with a great Facebook group, really helpful. It's pretty amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of this gray on my painting tool, and let's start swiping. Well, I'll start in the middle. We'll see how everything's working. Okay. Nice looking cells there. So remember to clean your tool after each use. Yeah, so Elliot has banished me to the loft, which is fine, but I've had to just move everything, and it's taken days and days of organizing. So I'm almost happy with the space. Okay, I'll continue this way, why not? So I'm not pressing too hard, I'm just kind of gliding it across. Got some cool looking things happening. Let's see. I really love that pink. All right. You never know what this is gonna look like until you stretch it out. Unfortunately, you can kind of guess, and I don't even see any of that gold popping out, really. All right. I can tell my cells might get a little warped, but we'll see. My consistencies look okay, even though some things were kind of thick. All right, let's try to get this gold popping out here. There we go, there's some gold. All right. I've been doing a lot of coasters lately, and I haven't done that. They're only like 4 inches, and it's kind of refreshing, but it's also a learning curve to go back small, but they're just so cute. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more coasters, I think. All right, let's grab this guy. Now there's that gold. I'm just breaking up some of that cell activator. All right, we don't know what's even happening, do we? It's kind of like just the same. I'm not into just swipes with the same shape, but that's kind of looks like what I'm doing, right? So, okay, I'm gonna make a little smaller piece. I'm just got some cardboard here, and I'm gonna put the cell activator on the lip there. See what happens. Hopefully it's not a total waste. Gonna blow out a little bit. All right, we'll see. And then I'll do something here. What are we gonna do there? Let's cut off another piece here. So with this, maybe I'll just go bloop like that. And then we'll see what happens. So, okay, here we go. Oops, I pressed a little too hard on that one. It's okay, we'll probably get it off the edge. Okay. All right, I mean, nothing really that exciting, is it? But we will tilt and see. So what I'm going to do is, because this isn't going to come back up really, because I pushed too hard on it. So you want to look at what you want to keep. I would have kept that actually, but I don't think it's going to move. So I'll start tilting this part down here. Maybe I can get it to move, but I don't think so. Okay. And I don't like warpy cells too much, but hopefully I can control them. Just keep turning. See that piece that I liked kind of left. Okay, and I'm gonna keep those cells and get them down, going down this way. Get that little purple edge off, good. And what do you think? Get this going back a little bit. And I think now I kind of have the shape that I want. And just to get the edge, I don't like the wispy edges as much. So I'm going to spin. Get out of the way. Let's see. And it just kind of takes the edges off to where you want them. Is this nice? I mean, it's all right. Just get paint down the edges here. Make sure everything's covered. So I would look at it probably this way. I mean, is it the best thing ever? No, but it's kind of cute. I actually don't mind the gold, but I can see it the pigments are breaking up a bit, so I probably wouldn't use that addition again. I would just go back to my normal. But this is it. I'll do a close-up. Hope you enjoyed.